There it is. Updraft.
Okay, so I'm still I don't know. Still confused about how this stuff's oriented. Because if we are chasing me up, well, I'm watching the base of that fucker for trying to get.
No, that's it.
You're damn right it is. Okay, so if we're right here.
Alright.
As long as we have Justin Timberlake, we're fine.
We'll just be ready to boogie. Fucking wall cloud. You reckon? Rapid rotation. We got a funnel. We got a possible tornado. It's coming down. There it is. This is what it's about, bub.
I'm gonna get a peek on the phone pretty quick here.
Yeah, I'd call him right now. As soon as you.
Okay, is this thing heading at us, bud?
No.
We're okay.
We're alright.
Come on now. Get the sun.
Never seen that before. Yeah, it's on the ground.
It's on the ground here.
It's on the ground.
He can hit the car.
We're like 2 miles south-southwest of Lawrence. Two miles south-southwest of Lawrence.
Okay.
It's just west of US 59. Call Wichita.
What location are we?
We're two south-southwest of Lawrence.
Busy.
Looks like it's lifted. And this is the tornado damage. We just traveled west-northwest on K10 on the west or southwest side of Lawrence. We just had passed through here right before the tornado came as we came from Topeka. See, it looks like it took off the roof of those townhouses or apartments. There's the storms to the north of Topeka and Lawrence, the one that just moved through.